Good morning, all of you present here. Today we are going to present a beautiful activity on 1 to 10 letter words and their roles in life. Hello friends, I am a very selfish word. I always think about myself. Hello friends, I am we. I am a 2 letter words. We show that togetherness. Hello friends, I am ego. I am a 3 letter word. Ego is the most dangerous word in relation. Hello friends, I am love. I am 4 letter word which is essential for every relation. Hello friends, I am smile. I am a 5 letter word. A smile makes one beautiful. So always smile. Hello friends, I am a rumor, the most dangerous 6 letter word. Please ignore me, always do not believe at me cost. Hello friends, I am success. I am a 7 letter word which makes you famous all around the world. Hello friends, I am jealousy. I am 8 letters word. Jealousy is most dangerous word which spoils one's whole life. Hello friends, I am knowledge. I am a 9 letter word. I am full of wisdom and intelligence. Hello friends, I am confident. I am 10 letter word. I improve one's personality, so always be confident. Now I will tell you which one we should accept in our lives. I. We. Ego. Love. Smile. Rumor. Success. Jealousy. Knowledge. Confidence. Henceforth, we should avoid the following things in our lives: rumor and jealousy. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Thank you everyone.